Open living room blinds.
Okay, opening 3 blinds in living room.
Hey guys, welcome back. I'm so excited to share with you all another house update. These type of videos are always so much fun to film for me because it's like keeping a home progress video documented to look back one day and see how things have changed for the better. I hope you're having an amazing week so far and thanks so much for stopping by. I'll have a bedroom makeover video coming up very soon and you don't want to miss it, so make sure you're subscribed and click the bell to be notified when that video goes up. I wanted to share a really cool home update that I know many of you would love in your home as well. We moved into our new house a year ago and things have been slowly but surely getting checked off my to-do list. One of those things is having MySmartBlinds in our home. With that said, I want to thank MySmartBlinds for sponsoring today's video. MySmartBlinds offers an automation kit for your existing 2 to 2.5 inch horizontal blinds that is simple to install. We already had our blinds when we had our home built, but if you wanted to order custom fit window frames, they deliver straight to your door. They were really easy to install, so we didn't have to hire an installer or visit a showroom before ordering. MySmartBlinds can be used with or without a smart home hub, meaning they'll perform on your schedule and with your preferred settings no matter where in the world you are. Temperature sensors inside the MySmartBlinds motor box will save you money on utility bills by regulating the temperature inside your home. You can get battery updates straight to your smartphone, and what I really love about these is that they're solar charging, which means I don't ever have to charge them or insert a battery in them to keep them working. I do have a charger that I use for one window because the sun never hits that spot and I've only charged it once 4 months ago. You can also set tilting schedules that update as the seasons change. My husband is installing MySmartBlinds that are 3 windows in the living room, and then he's going to install the one in our guest bedroom. I partnered with MySmartBlinds 4 months ago for my kitchen and dining room windows, and we have used them non-stop. Everybody that comes over is always really impressed with this product. They test it out with our smartphone, little remote that they offer, and now we're going to use the Smart Bridge. The Smart Bridge is the exclusive Wi-Fi bridge for the MySmartBlinds product family. It works with Amazon Alexa and the Google Assistant to give you all of the standard MySmartBlinds features plus voice control and access from anywhere. If you've made it this far, I'm happy to announce there's a surprise giveaway in today's video. MySmartBlinds is kind enough to give away a $100 MySmartBlinds.com gift card to one winner. To enter the giveaway, all you have to do is follow MySmartBlinds on Instagram and leave a comment with your Instagram handle in the comments below. MySmartBlinds will contact the winner, and I'll leave more details on this giveaway in the description box. MySmartBlinds also has a YouTube channel you should definitely check out if you need help with anything. They have videos on how to install the automation kits, blinds, and much more. I'll leave a link to their YouTube channel in my description box. These are seriously the best and are a total game changer, you guys. I really like that I can be in bed at night and make sure all of my blinds are closed by looking on my phone. It's also really nice when I wake up I can open the blinds in any room using my phone. This is how one of the solar panels look when they're attached to the window for solar charging. These are 100% worth it and I couldn't recommend them enough, you guys. I'll leave a link to their website in my description box as well as a 10% off discount code. This concludes today's video. I hope you give MySmartBlinds a try because you will be amazed and they really are so convenient. Thank you guys for being here and a special thanks to MySmartBlinds for sponsoring this video. I'll talk to you all soon in my next one, which will be a bedroom makeover, so make sure you're subscribed and have the bell notification turned on so you don't miss it. Take care.
Close living room blinds.
Okay, closing 3 blinds in living room.